Hi friends, in this class we are going to topic simplification, and here I am teaching you some of the important questions which is always repeating in your exams. So our first question is, a board 7 feet and 9 inches long is divided into 3 equal parts. What is the length of each part? So we have to find what is the length of each part. So first solution, length of board. Length of board we already know 7 feet and 9 inches. Here we convert this feet also into inches. So 7 into 12 into 9 inches, which is 93 inches. So length of each part is equal to, because it's already told as 3 equal parts. So 93 divided by 3 inches, which is 31 inches. When we change the inches into feet, it will be 2 feet and 7 inches. Now second question, a tin of kerosene was 4 by 5 full. Okay, note this, 4 by 5 full. When 6 bottles of kerosene were taken out and 4 bottles of kerosene were poured into it, it was 3 by 4 full. How many bottles of kerosene can the tin contain? So our question is, how many bottles of kerosene can the tin contain? Here we know before it was 4 by 5 full. When 6 bottles kerosene were taken out and 4 bottles kerosene were poured into, then it become 3 by 4 full. So our solution, suppose X bottle can fill the tin completely, because our question here, how many bottles of kerosene can the tin contain? So X bottle can fill the tin completely. Then 4 by 5x minus 3 by 4x equal to 6 minus 4. Before it was 4 by 5 full, then 3 by 4 full. So 4 by 5x minus 3 by 4x equal 6 we taken out before, then we poured 4. So 6 minus 4. So x by 20 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 40. So required number of bottle is equal to 40. Now our third question, from a group of men and women, 15 women leave. So from the starting itself, 15 women leave. There are then left 2 men for each woman. So for each woman there is 2 men. Then after this 45 men leave, there are then 5 women for each men. Find the number of women in the beginning. So our question is, we have to find how many women in the beginning. So let at present there be X men. Then number of women at present is 5x, because here there are then 5 women for each men. So we can directly write 5x. Before the men had left, number of men is equal to x plus 45, because after 45 men leave. So before that it was x plus 45, and number of women it was 5x. So x plus 45 is equal to 2 into 5x. So 9x is equal to 45 and x is equal to 5. Here our question is, find the number of women in the beginning. So hence the number of women in the beginning is 5x plus 15, because here 5x plus 15 means 15 they leave in the early. So 5x plus 15, which is 25, plus 15, which is 40 women. Now our fourth question, Mohan had 85 currency notes in all, because he have all 85 currency, some of which were of rupees 100 denomination and the remaining of rupees 50 denomination. The total amount of all these currency note was rupees 5,000. So how much amount did he have in the denomination of 50? So our question is asking, like the 50 denomination, how much of amount total he have. So let the number of 50 rupee note be x, because we have to find 50 rupee note. So let the number of 50 rupee note be x. Then the number of 100 rupee note is equal to 85 minus x, because total we have 85 currency, so 85 minus x. So 50 plus 100 into 85 minus x is equal to 5000. So x plus 2 into 85 minus x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 70. So our question is, we have to find the total. So required amount is rupees 50 into 70, which is 3500. Now our fifth question is, if p by q is equal to 3 by 4 and the expression 8p plus 5q is equal to 22, then find the value of p. Here we have to find the value of p. So we can write the expression p by q is equal to 3 by 4. Then instead of this one, we can change q is equal to 4 by 3, reciprocal 4 by 3 p. So our expression 8p plus 5q is equal to 22. So 8p plus 5 into this one, 4 by 3p is equal to 22. Then we can multiply like this. So 8 into 3, which is 24p, plus 20p is equal to 66. So 24p plus 20p, that is 44p, is equal to 66. So p is equal to 66 by 44, which is 3 by 2. So our answer is p is equal to 3 by 2. Now our sixth question, simplify 12.05 into 5.4 divided by 0.6. If you are getting a question like this, you have to use board mass. Board mass means the first one is for like the borders, second one is for the borders means the brackets, second one is for the order, and third one is division, fourth one is multiplication, fifth one addition, and last one subtraction. So here we have to open first the division one. So given expression we can write 12.05 into 5.4 divided by 0.6. So 12.05 into 9, then if we multiply this one, we will get 108.45. This is our answer. Now our seventh question, find the value of x in each of the following equation. Then our expression is 3648.24 plus 364.824 divided by x minus 36.4824 is equal to 3794.1696. So this expression also we have to use board mass. So first this division area we can write 364.824 divided by x, then equal to this one 3794.1696 plus 36.4824 minus 3648.24. When we do this calculation, you will get 182.412. So x is equal to 364.824 by 182.418, which is 2. So our answer is 2. Like this, practice more questions and try to answer the questions. Thank you.